Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new daily update on Arbitrum. As most of you know, I do these updates, I cover Arbitrum daily. If you're interested in that, at the end of this video, make sure to subscribe and feel welcome. In this video, we'll take a look at Arbitrum again. We'll briefly, that's what I sometimes do, is we'll take a look at the fundamentals for Arbitrum specifically, and then we'll dive into the technicals. As you can see, we have dropped down quite a bit since yesterday evening. Yesterday evening, we peaked out again at this local top around 1.75, which has been our resistance for the last little bit over 24 hours. Psychological resistance level, of course, there's not much to it. It's not that strong of a level. But still, sometimes new resistance levels are created, definitely in absence of previous price history. But alright, so that's what we'll do in this video. Before we get into Arbitrum specifically though, if you want to receive daily trading signals by me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. But now onto Arbitrum. So let's start with the fundamentals, and then we'll talk about the technicals, because I do have some interesting things to say about the technicals, I think, especially about today. I mean, Sunday is usually a little bit quiet, but it's also the day when the movement starts happening. So Arbitrum, in terms of the fundamentals, is doing amazing. Usually, I mean, the total value locked of Arbitrum is a bit arbitrary, of course, because it's now higher. It's around 2.3 billion. We're probably nearing 2.4 billion, but it also goes together with the price, right? On the other hand, though, the daily active addresses, daily transactions, and the decentralized exchange volume has gone up quite a bit. And that is great. That's great ecosystem development and ecosystem growth. So looking at that, I would say the fundamentals are great. Now, what Arbitrum is going to do heavily depends on what Ethereum does as well, though, that type of stuff. But still, it's a good thing for the long term as well. For now, to get into the technicals, really the most important, excuse me, just opened my mail. But really the most important level for Arbitrum is this support level around 1.6. It has that 50 EMA right now. 1.618 FIB as well, which was pretty strong, but it's just our main support level right now. All right, so something I'm a little bit afraid of is that Arbitrum will drop down to this level and break down below that. And the moment we break down below 1.6, we had that bearish breakout and we'll drop down all the way to this level right here around 1.5 and 1.52. And I'm not expecting some sort of a massive sell-off or a massive drop or massive crash, but in the end, that's going to hurt our chances of getting to our next resistance level around 1.9 price target, let's say it like that. Because the thing we would like to do is find support at 1.6, because that really is our main support level. And then from there, start forming higher lows. And then when Bitcoin gets up to 2200, Arbitrum will be strong enough to break above 1.75. and get up to 1.9. And at this point of time, I am not sure if Arbitrum is able to do something like this. I think Ethereum can get to 2200. I do not know if Arbitrum will follow. All right, so I would say that we have this, to make it a bit more clear, all right, we have this little level around 1.67, 1.66. I would say that right now we are in this little box, all right? Sundays just usually are pretty unpredictable, all right? So I'm going to do it like this. We're in this box between 1.67 and 1.6. What's going to happen today is that we're either going to break down below 1.6, after which we will drop down towards 1.5, and then from there hold it and probably start another uptrend, or we will break above 1.67, and then probably also break above 1.75 and get up to 1.9. And this is probably also in combination with a bullish Ethereum. All right, so if all of a sudden you see Ethereum getting nice bullish moves, Arbitrum will probably follow. So that's just my take on it for now. That's my full analysis on everything I expect. I would say, given the more recent price action, I would say a bearish breakout and kind of a retracement with a bearish breakout through 1.6 and a drop down to 1.5 is a bit more likely, but we'll see. All right, I'll keep you updated on it, of course, but for now, that's my take on Arbitrum. So thank you for watching, take care, and bye.